Hi, this is Torquil, and today we're going to look at syncing ERStudio Team Server with Data Architect. Team Server is great for working with models, submodels, attributes, columns, security objects, and all that other good stuff which we find in ERStudio Data Architect. The data is all held in the repository. And before we can work with it in Team Server, we need to add our objects to the repository from Data Architect. Once we have done that, we can then sync the data across to Team Server. So, let's get started, and I'll show you how we add a diagram from Data Architect. Here we have our Team Server installation. Under ER Objects, there are no objects. There's no results found. So we'll go into Data Architect. I'm going to open the model that I want to sync with Team Server. I'll choose AOE.dm1. This is a sample that is available to download, and you'll find the link in the Team Server Evaluation Guide. The next thing I shall do is log into the repo. Mine's defaults admin. Now that we've logged in, I shall add the current diagram to the repository. I can go through the repository menu, or I can just right click the diagram. Add diagram. Choose the defaults. You'll see that as it's now synced with the repository, we have the padlock icons. I'm going to check it out so that we can add an alert. Under the Data Dictionary tab, under Data Security Information, Security Classification, Privacy Level. Double click and check it out. Under the Binding Information tab, I'm going to click on Attribute. I'm going to look for credit card, and I'm going to click this box here, which will get all the sub-items. Under Card Number, double click. I'm going to choose a value override of Regulated Customer Info. Click OK to close the editor, then right click the Data Dictionary again and check it in. We've now bound the information to the columns in ERStudio Data Architect. Finally, we're going to right click and check in the diagram. Now back to Team Server, and we need to sync the information that we've just added to the repo. So we'll go to My Settings, Admin, ERStudio Synchronization. There's our diagram. Synchronize selected. We can click refresh to get an update, and we have a success. Right, now let's configure the alert on the bound objects that we highlighted in ERStudio. Let's go to our ER objects, because they should all be there now. And let's search for a privacy level security object. Privacy level. Now we have a few of the bindings, but we can just highlight by security objects. Done. And in here, click on this, and we configure a new alert. New condition. It's a bound object. We're going to set a warning, and we'll say not to be used without authorization, and we'll save that warning. And that's just created the new alert. Okay, so if we were working with a column that contains sensitive data and it had a bound alert, such as the one we've set up, let's see what happens. Let's go back to ER Objects, and let's look for credit card. Now you'll see card number has appeared in the search, and that's because we're also searching definitions. So under the card number column, you'll see that we have the alert that we bound. I hope you've enjoyed our quick look at syncing with ERStudio and creating an alert. Thank you.